Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. We will talk about the euro currency as usual. So the new week starts today and the situation on the euro currency becomes more and more difficult to analyze. Well, in general there is a very important moment for the further medium-term perspective from the market comes on the weekly time frame. But since this is the daily video research, we will not talk about the weekly time frame. I suggest you to visit our forum and to read this analysis on our in our current thread that dedicated to the weekly, monthly and lower time frames research on euro currency. We will start directly from the daily time frame. As you remember, on the previous week we have discussed the potential butterfly sale pattern on daily time frame. Here's by the left wing, and our major question was linked to the level from which the right wing will start of this potential butterfly, and will it start at all? Well, first of all, we expected one of the two possibilities. The first possibility was the double repo sale pattern, and the second possibility was the bread and butter buy. So I might say that the double repo sell pattern has been negated by the price action, because although we have the penetration of this green line, that is 3x3 simple moving average, 3 period simple moving average shifted forward for the 3 periods, we see that very deep retracement inside of this thrust to the upside. This is uncommon to the double repo pattern. So now we can't count on the double repo. All that we could get is the bread and butter buy. And the major question that we will try to answer in our daily video research is where this pattern could start. Will it start right from there, because this is 50% support of this whole thrust to the upside, or it will start from the strongest support area that's just below the market. You can see it's 142.03, 618 support from this low to this high. Okay, and this is lime dash line is the weekly pivot support 142.18 for the coming week. So this is much stronger support than current 50%. The blue line is the weekly pivot point 144.56, and the red dash line 145.91 is the weekly pivot resistance one. So let's speak about the potential bread and butter trade. The absolutely needable context for the bread and butter is the initial thrust. We have some, okay, nice thrust to the upside, then the close below the 3x3 that has happened, and reaching some significant area of support. Now market has totally erased the 3.8 support and reached 50%. The number of closing below the 3x3 should not exceed the 3 times. So we have first close, it's marked with 1, second close. Well, in fact market has additional day to close below the 3x3 for starting of the bread and butter. And if market will reach this area on Monday, this will be normal, although this retracement seems too large compared to the initial thrust. Well, but this could happen. In fact, we can't exclude this moment. Also take a look at this red line. This is the MACD predictor that shows us the trend, and it comes in play on Monday. So market could show some signs, some bullish signs. For instance, it could be the stop grabber pattern or something. If it will appear in this area, well, this will give us more confidence that probably bread and butter could start from the 50% support. If market will shift trend and hold there to bearish, then probably the starting point will be somewhere around that. Well, of course, that happens on the market very often. It's nothing that could not happen on the market. It could happen anything. Probably this trade couldn't start at all. Who knows? But in general, since we expected it, we should keep an eye on that area and that area on the daily time frame. Now let's shift on the 4-hour chart. Sorry, this is the another daily time frame that shows us the potential levels of the target of this potential bread and butter trade. If market will start this trade right from this area, the target will be 145.10, or market could accelerate even further. In this case, butterfly should start to realize on the market. If market just reach this target and accelerates to the downside, then probably this butterfly will be under question. If market will start this trade from that area, then 618 level will drift a bit lower, and I think that our target in this case will be the agreement of 618 resistance and weekly pivot point 144.56, somewhere right here. Okay, now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we do not see much important except maybe this strong nasty bar to the downside. This is so-called Morboso candle that usually leads to some continuation, because this is really strong downward momentum, and market couldn't just stop it and retrace to the upside. Market needs some time and some slowdown of this move to reduce the pace of this move to the downside, and only after that turn to some reversal. Look at this, the same stance here, thrust to the upside, then slowing down momentum, some retracement, and this move due to momentum to the upside. Okay, some continuation based mechanical continuation due to the strong upside momentum on the market. So that could happen here. Initial thrust, okay, some slowdown of momentum, some retracement, and then mechanical continuation just due to strong momentum in the market. That's why I suppose that probably market could still reach 142, 142.12, 20 area, that area, okay, and only after that it could turn to the bread and butter buy trade. But still we can't exclude that probably market could show some shift momentum gradual, then accelerate to the upside. That's why we should keep an eye on that area and also on that area. The next part of our research will dedicate to very short-term perspective in the hourly chart, and this will be very useful for those who trade very short-term and who makes the scalp trades. Okay, now let's take a look on the hourly time frame. What we see here, as I said, we could watch for that area for bull signals and for that area. First of all, take a look at this pattern A, B, C top, market hit 100%, 127 extension of this A, B, C, D pattern stands just below the market 142.75, and that target has not been triggered yet. 1618 target stands precisely at that in the same area as daily fib support 142 and weekly pivot support 1. So this is triple targets that stands in that area. This makes this area very strong support, and I think that market at least should bounce from that area, and it has very nice probability that bread and butter can start from that area. Still, if you're a scalp trader, take a look at the pattern. This is nice thrust to the upside. This is the 50% daily support. So market could show some respect to that area and show some retracement to the upside. Well, if market will show some bullish patterns in that area, then probably there could be the double repo buy, because this is nice thrust. Okay, market could show close above the 3x3, then close below and hitting 127 target. I prefer to see that market should hit it before entering on the long side of the market. In this case, if it will be the double repo, this will be the second bottom of this pattern will be lower than the first, and market should touch this target. Okay, then close above the green line again, and this will be our confirmation bar. You can try to enter on the long side of the market. After that, you should keep a close eye on how this upward price action will develop. If this will be the gradual move, very slow, something like that or like that, okay, this will be just respect to the 50% support. In this case, you should close your position around 143.70 area in this target, because in this case this will be just a retracement, and due to strong downward momentum, market could continue move to the downside right to that area from this level, because this is our conference support. In this case, if you want to possess yourself on the short time, on the short side of the market, you can place your stop somewhere above this conference support 144.23, or even above the weekly pivot point 144.56. If market will show strong fast acceleration to the upside, then probably this is the start of the daily bread and butter buy trade. This will mean that probably market will not hit that area, and this trade will start right from this area. So the nature of this potential upside move from that level could tell us what we should expect. Gradual move will lead to the continuation and hitting of 142.11 area. Okay, the faster move could lead to the 145.10. This is the target of the bread and butter daily bread and butter trade. So that's my current view on the situation. As you can see, the analysis of the euro currency currently is very sophisticated and has a lot of nuances and details, and be extra careful. So if you do not like to make some scalp trades, I think you better wait for that area, because there's really strong area of support, and search for the clear signals in this area to possess yourself with the 144.50, 145 target. That will be the target of the bread and butter trade. If you're a scalp trader, you have at least three possibilities. First possibility, here we will see buy signal. You can enter long with the target around 140.70. Well, if market, then you can reverse your position with the target 144. This is the second possibility. And the third possibility, if markets really will show the starting of the bread and butter trade right from that area, you have the possibility to possess yourself on the long term, on the daily term trade to the target around 144.10. That's what I personally will be watching for on the coming week, on Monday and maybe Tuesday, because market just show the downward move. It's not show any bullish patterns currently, and this is the we will see it on Monday and on Tuesday, and depending on what this price behavior will be, what particular patterns market will show us, we will act accordingly.